Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. Let's get a tub and a lid. Next, we need the sticker for the top of the lid, and it will be the letter L. It has an uppercase L and a lowercase L. Next, let's put the letter L on the front of the tub. Here's another uppercase L and a lowercase L. Next, let's do the bottom of the lid. And again, we have an uppercase L and a lowercase L. Wow, there are objects we need to look for, like the uppercase L. Let's find it. There it is. Now, let's find a lowercase L. Here are some things that start with the letter L that will go in the tub. A ladybug. A lock. A log. Very small log. Next is a lion. Roar. Next is a light bulb. This one's a blue light bulb. And next is lettuce. Let's review and put the things in the tub. This is an uppercase L. This is a lowercase L. This is a ladybug. This is a lock. This is a log. This is a lion. This is a light bulb. And this is a piece of lettuce. That's all. We can put the lid on this one. Next is the letter M. It comes after L. See you next time.